All right, guys, here is our customer Impala, all done. So, customer with this one, same customer as the truck, that black and red C10. He came to us with both of these cars, and he's like, let's clean up the grill, do something simple up here, which, as you can see, actually did come out pretty well for doing, you know, just some simple satin black on some accents here. The paint we did not do. This came with a nice, super nice, clean paint job, as you can tell. And then just some other trim throughout the car needed to be cleaned up. But the biggest thing was the exhaust and the interior and the airbag system. We needed 4 new airbags. We left the older system in there, but it does have 4 new airbags just because it was kind of leaking. And not as consistent as it should be, but you know how much I love interiors, so let's go check that out. So here she is. You know, like I said, I love my interiors, and here you can see we've got some new panels. These aren't custom panels, these are aftermarket panels that we bought online, but we, you know, reattach them to these brackets that come on these, and then from there we kind of just took the white and ran with it. You'll see we you know, the customer, he was like, you know, I want white, and I'm like, white's great and all, and I love the look, but it's really hard to keep clean. You know, we did talk about white carpet for a second, but I said, you know, let me kind of mess with some things. Let me just kind of get some, you know, motivation, find something out there that's not what somebody else has done, but slightly different. And, you know, with the center console, the white kind of meshing together. You know, it's got the white headliner, visors, side panels, front and rear, and then that center console that's white. You just kind of, the white's like a nice contrast with the blue that was already in here. You know, the stock blue floor and seats and dash. We found actually a new old stock dash pad, which was really cool. The exact blue we needed. We resprayed all of the trim in here to more of like a satin blue that goes really well with the other blues we have here, especially this exterior blue. You know, they kind of just, the outside and inside, they kind of talk to each other. And you know how much I love contrast, and you can just see from the cool B-roll footage that's probably going while I'm sitting here blabbing about this awesome interior. But it really did come together really nicely. You know, a little bit of technology kind of put in here, but nothing too wild, to keep a little bit of that classic feel, but also that super duper custom feel as well. So I really hope you guys liked it. All right, another customer car done. I think he's gonna like this one a lot. That interior is amazing. He loved the C10, and we did a lot less on it. So I just love this white and blue in here. Kind of like what we came up with, and you know, I would drive this. This is a pretty slick car. I'd love to show this interior off car shows, so I'd drive it. What about you?
Love to drive it. Definitely gonna have to break off the Sunday clothes, though. I'm a little too dirty.
I've always got him doing the dirty jobs in here. I'm always keeping him out of the nice cars when we're done with him, but makes you feel any better. We were able to keep the old steering wheel. Maybe you can use that on your CTSV.
Yeah, I might get it running finally.
Thanks for watching. Like, share, and subscribe.
Like, share, and subscribe.
Boom. Nailed it.